The Permian Playhouse is a local community theater in Odessa, Texas, that has been providing quality entertainment to the Permian Basin for over half a century in the form of musicals, plays, concerts, and variety shows. One of the most important aspects of the Playhouse is its educational services. During the school year, theater school classes are available for grades 1 through 6, and the Kaleidoscope Company is an elite teen theater troupe of grades 7 through 12 who hold meetings, help maintain the theater, perform shows regularly, and act as ambassadors of the arts in Odessa. Additionally, the Permian Playhouse offers camps during spring break and summer. Traditionally, the camps have been only 1 week in length. However, this summer, the theater has decided to try something different. This year, for our summer camp, the Playhouse is taking 50 students, grades 2 through 12, and putting together a full show. These students will be both those who have signed up to attend the camp and the Kaleidoscope Company who helps to organize and run the camps. Those who attend and run the camp will comprise the cast, crew, and design staff of the production. The Playhouse has selected Disney's Alice in Wonderland Jr. for the first of these camps.
The main problem with our 1 week camps that I see is that we don't have enough time to teach them enough because we have to condense everything into just 5 days rather than 5 weeks like we're doing with this. So the good thing about this camp is we have a wider time frame to teach our students what skills they need, to be a good theater person.
During the first day of camp, those attending auditioned by learning a song and dance and performing a cold reading of a scene. Then the casting committee decided who best fits each part of the show. The cast and crew has from June 16th, the first day, to July 18th, opening night, to put the show together. Everyone will continually rehearse their songs, dances, and scenes in the afternoon, as well as take classes in the morning. Classes consist of dance, music, drama, art, stagecraft, costumes, and occasionally a free period where the students can take a break from putting together the show. Many of those who are attending the camp are regular students from the Playhouse's weekly theater school. Kelly is one of those students that has been involved in the Playhouse for multiple years.
I keep coming back to the Permian Playhouse because it gives me a chance to know about theater, because when I grow up I want to be an actress and I don't want to be left behind.
The first week of a show is full of busy rehearsals in hopes of covering lots of ground early on so that the show as a whole can be performed more quickly. Many of the songs and dances are at least begun, if not finished, during this first week.
When my wife and I lived in Dallas, we worked with a group called DYA, Dallas Young Artists, and we did 6-week, 5-week-long camps every summer. Those camps helped support that young artist group for the entire year. Let's see, we've done 4 of them, 4 different camps. So yeah, this is definitely something I felt the Playhouse would benefit from and that I wanted to bring with us over here. So.
Okay. This first week is a fantastic look into the world of theater for many of these students. As the show progresses, they will be given numerous opportunities to learn about every aspect of theater and will be able to participate in a show that they will be proud of. Join us next week for another installment of Behind the Curtain, Disney's Alice in Wonderland Jr.